Let us try to measure angle PAL. So first step is to identify where the angle is. So this is our angle PAL. Now, we have to align the vertex of our angle with the center mark of our protractor. So let's try to align that now. So vertex with the center mark. Okay. Now that we have aligned the vertex with the center mark, we also have to align our baseline. This is our baseline. The baseline of our protractor with any of the legs. So you can either align it with leg AL or leg PA. So let's now try aligning the leg. Alright. So I want to align the leg with the leg AL. There you go. So now that your center mark and vertex is aligned as well as your leg and baseline, you can now start reading the measurement. Remember to always start from 0. Okay. So always start from 0. So as you can see, since we are starting from 0, we are going to use the inner scale. So let's start counting. That would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and it's right in the middle of 60 and 70 as you can see right there. Therefore, that is 65 degrees. Angle PAL is 65 degrees.